Now, the fresh update that has come from Ludhiana is that the brother of Gagandeep Singh is being considered as an alleged bomber in the Ludhiana blast case. He has now been taken into custody from his house in Khanna area. Police have seized a laptop, a mobile phone and cash, and it appears that there is likely to be an official statement coming in. Remember, this is the brother of the alleged bomber, Gagandeep Singh, and we will try and get more details on that. Kamaljeet, so according to the investigators, this Gagandeep Singh, who was the alleged bomber, died, of course, in this blast. His brother has now been picked up. How are they connecting this with this case?
Well, what is firmly being concluded is that he was not working alone. It was not a lone wolf attack as such. He was working in collaboration. What we're talking about, a cocktail of narco, terror, gangster. This is what the DGP Siddharth Chattopadhyay has told India Today. He's also talked about how they're looking at several other angles, whether it is the call data records, whether it is about his association with other modules within jail while he was serving sentence post-September 2019. All these is a matter of investigation, but most importantly, where did he get the explosives from? Now, we've seen in the past 1 year or so that Pakistan has been sending in explosives by drone, but what they are also doing is not just relying on Khalistani extremists or terrorists, they're also relying on gangsters and smuggler gang. So in a sense, because of the survivability, we've seen they've all come together, and this is where that dangerous cocktail has come to the fore. What is important is not just the close associates of Gagandeep. We also looking at a lady constable. We've been told this man was having an extramarital affair. That woman is said to be in the police. However, Punjab police is not been talking about this. They're saying this is a matter of investigation. Several other leads being worked upon. But yes, the first leads have crucially come in that particular case. After the tattoo was found on the arm, there was a recovery of a SIM inside the dongle. So there were crucial leads. And what is important is, though central agencies have been telling us that the RDX is one of those suspected, at least 1 or 2 kgs of it, the DGP saying it's not firmly concluded. They will still await a proper forensic results before they can actually
go. Very interesting what Kamaljeet is telling us. Yes, Kamaljeet, I'll just paraphrase what you have said. It's basically that more RDX or less, that also is being explored, but RDX is one of the factors that led to the blast. And importantly, the investigations are bringing in consistent leads, and the fact that this was not a lone wolf attack, so to say. Was there a network trail, an attempt to disrupt peace ahead of elections? Kamaljeet Sandhu with all the latest, and she's been tracking the case. But investigation aside,